Hello students, welcome to our channel Education Level. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss an interesting question. Do plants feel pain, or is it just a myth? Think about it. When we pluck a leaf, when we cut flowers, when an entire tree is chopped down, do plants scream silently inside? Or is this just our imagination? Science has a shocking answer. But wait, watch the video till the end because what you believe might be completely wrong. Plants scream. That sounds strange, right? Because plants have no brain, no nerves, and no mouth. Still, many people say plants feel pain. So the question is, if there is no brain, how can plants feel pain? Science says plants do not feel pain the way humans do. But the story does not end here. Plants do react. When an insect eats a plant's leaf, what does the plant do? It does not scream, but it releases chemical signals. These signals travel through the air and warn nearby plants. Now, you might be thinking, why does a plant warn other plants? When an insect attacks one plant, that plant releases a chemical gas, such as jasmonic acid. This gas spreads in the air and sends a message to nearby plants. Alert, danger is coming. What do other plants do after receiving the signal? As soon as they get the warning, they make their leaves bitter, they produce toxic chemicals, they stop releasing smells that attract insects. This means before the enemy arrives, their defense system turns on. Plants do not think alone. They work like a community. If one plant survives, the nearby plants also survive. In nature, those who cooperate are the ones who survive. And this communication does not happen only through air. Plants also send signals through their roots using a fungal network that scientists call the Wood Wide Web. Amazing, right? Through this network, nutrients are shared, danger signals are passed, weak plants receive help. So the truth is, plants do not feel pain, but they care for each other. Now, think about this. Something that cannot speak still tries to protect others like itself. So what about us humans? What are we doing for each other? Now tell us in the comments, do you think it is our responsibility to treat plants as living beings? And if this video changed the way you think, don't forget to share it.